The Certificate in Cyber Foundations is designed for individuals who want a strong starting point for a career in IT or cybersecurity. Developed with industry experts, this program builds essential skills in network fundamentals and cybersecurity while preparing students for CompTIA Network Plus and CompTIA Security Plus certifications. The program includes 3 main components: Understanding Network Fundamentals, CompTIA Network Plus, and CompTIA Security Plus. Instructor-led class lectures guide students through the content associated with these certifications, while virtual lab activities provide hands-on experience that can be applied in the workplace. Courses are delivered live online and are scheduled for daytime or evening sessions, offering a structured learning experience that supports skill development and certification preparation. Students have opportunities to connect with instructors and peers throughout the program, creating a supportive and collaborative learning environment. For learners looking to enter IT support, networking, or cybersecurity roles, or for experienced professionals seeking certifications to strengthen their career opportunities, the Certificate in Cyber Foundations offers a practical and structured path forward. To learn more, visit umbctraining.com or contact our admissions team at admissions@umbctraining.com.